Hello all, welcome back to Elias in Kitchen. Today's recipe is crab green masala and crab soup. So let us see how to make crab masala and crab soup. Let's proceed further. Today's recipe is crab green masala as well as crab soup. So I've taken medium sized 2 crabs which I've cleaned and I've cut them like this. I have taken them and 1 small crab for the soup. So let us see how to make this. So first let us proceed with crab soup. So I've taken for the soup, I've taken a few garlic pods and little bit of ginger, 1 elaichi and 1 small piece of cinnamon and 3 cloves and 1 spoon of fennel seed. Along with it I've taken little bit of sliced onion and 1 full tomato. So let us proceed. Now I've placed a kadai and I'm adding 1 spoon of ghee. Ghee is optional. If you don't want ghee, you can exclude it, but it will give you a nice flavor when you add it to the crab soup. And I'm adding 1 spoon of oil, cooking oil. You can add any oil, you can add coconut oil or gingerly oil or the normal sunflower oil. So I've taken that. Let us simmer the stove. And I'm going to add these cloves, the cinnamon, the lychee and the fennel seed to this. Along with that, I'm going to add the garlics and the ginger. Let's fry them in the low flame. Kindly adjust the flame from low to medium. See to it, it's not in a high flame. So let's gently roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add the sliced onions to this. And let us fry this well until they turn soft. Don't over fry them, the taste will entirely change. So let us slightly roast them. It's become soft now, you can see. At this stage I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. And let us fry the tomatoes as well in the medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft enough. Just fry them. Crab soup is very good for health. It is the best recipe for people who are suffering from joint pains, fever and cold and cough. It is the best companion to eat during the winter season amongst all other seafood. So during this winter, if you have this crab soup, it is very good for your health. If you are suffering from a chest cold, it is a quick home remedy for you to get rid of the cold. You can see now the tomato is turned soft. Now let us transfer it to the jar. Let us off the flame and bring it to cool for about 5 minutes, and then let us grind it. Now in the meanwhile, let us allow it to cool. In the meanwhile, let us boil the crab. So I'm adding the crab to the kadai. I'm adding about 2 glasses of water. Let us bring this to boil for some time. You can see it's about to boil. So I'm adding 1 pinch of turmeric powder to this and little bit of rock salt. Let us cover the lid and allow it to boil. In the meanwhile, let us grind the ingredients. You can see the crab is boiled well now, started to boil. At this stage, I'm going to add the grinded paste, the ingredients whatever we have taken to grind. I'm going to add them to this. Let us cover the lid again and bring it to boil for about 10 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now. You can see it is boiling well. At this stage, I'm going to add few freshly chopped coriander leaves to this. Stir them gently. And let's cover the lid and boil it for another 5 minutes. Wow, it is boiling so nice. You can see. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. So in the meanwhile, let us do crab curry. So for that I've taken a little bit of coconut, a bunch of coriander leaves and few green chilies. Green chilies you can adjust as per your taste. So I've taken about 8 to 10 green chilies and I've taken about 1 inch of ginger, 1 cinnamon and 2 cloves and a little bit of garlic pods. Now let us grind all this into a smooth paste. So let us add all these ingredients to the mixer jar. If you don't want this to be too spicy, you can reduce the green chilies. But for crab, if you add additional chilies, it will taste very nice. It will give you a nice flavor to the recipe. So now, let us cover the lid and grind this into a smooth paste. Now let us see, it is about total 15 minutes. So I've just opened the lid. You can see the quantity of the soup is reduced. It's come out nice and it's very flavorful. I'm going to add half a spoon of pepper powder to this. Let's gently mix. Let us remove from the flame, cover the lid and keep it aside until we make the crab curry. So now for the crab curry, I have added about 5 to 6 spoons of oil and let us fry the onions. I've taken about 3 medium-sized onions. We're going to add to the oil and fry them well. Let us fry the onion until they turn soft. You can see now the onion is cooked well. At this stage, I am going to add the grinded masala. And fry well. Let us add a little bit of water to the jar and add it to this. So let us stir well and fry this for about 5 minutes. Until the oil separates from the masala. You can raise the flame between medium to high. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. At this stage, I am going to add about half a spoon of turmeric powder and mix well. And keep stirring it until the oil separates from the masala. You can see it's boiled well now. The oil is starting to separate. At this stage, I am going to add the crabs to this masala one by one. I broke crab's leg. Let's mix it well and fry in this for about few minutes, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes, like this. As most of you will be knowing, crab has a very impressive health benefits among all other crustaceans, and it is very rich in protein and it is very good for bone health, especially when you eat these bones. It is very good. It is very tasty as well. It is having very impressive health benefits. It is good to have at least a month or so. It is good to include for about a month or so in your diet. It's fried well. Now it's fried well. Let us add a little bit of water. I'm adding the water which I washed the jar, the same water. I'm adding little bit of salt for taste. Let's mix well. Cover the lid and bring it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see the crab masala is cooked well. Wow, it is so yummy, so delicious and so aromatic. You can see the crab is cooked well and the gravy has come out very nice. If you want the gravy to be even more thicker, you can leave it for another 5 minutes so that the water will become little more dried up. So now the crab curry is ready to serve. Let me transfer it to the serving bowl. Now the crab green masala is ready to serve along with crab soup. Hope you liked this recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.